ಈ ವಿಶ್ವರೂಪಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಾಗ ನೀವು ಅಫ್ಘಾನಿಸ್ತಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ನೀವು ಕಂಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಫ್ಘಾನಿಸ್ತಾನ?
It's saddening that there are women intelligent enough to run business. They quickly slip out a small computer, type and put it back into the veil. These are signs. It's a small house, carpets like this, and it's a small compact house, and they're running a business. These women who have to walk 20 paces behind the men, cover their faces, and intelligent children who want to educate themselves. And suddenly you come out, you find guns that any young man would give his hand to lay his hands on. Then what that's exactly what they did. They lost hands, limbs, and in a beautiful scenery, you see one man walking without a leg, cycling without a leg. You can see his false limb, and he's cycling. These are sights which are stunning. Probably they are used to it. And suddenly in one street, you can see somebody selling a black tar-like thing, and that was photographed and sent to me. It was opium on sale. And there are photographs. None of what you see in my film is exaggerated. Actually, they are selling bullets by tola, weight.
ನಮಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗಬಹುದಾದ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
Definitely,
ಈ ದೇಶನ ಕಮಲ್ ಹಾಸನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Much more happier than any of the states around India. They might disagree, but I truly believe so. And I have Muslim friends who will go even one step ahead and have a better argument than me.
ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ತರ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಆಕಲಿ ರಾಜಮಿಂದ ವಿಶ್ವರೂಪಂ ತನಕ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ತರದಾಗಿದೆ. ಇನ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹತ್ತಿರದ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಅಂತ ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಹಾರ್ಟ್?
I truly believe if they keep asking me, there was even a comedy show which made fun of Heram soon as it was released in England. The comment ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, you're still crying about something about Hindu-Muslim that happened. Now it is not necessary, but I don't think so. If I make 10 films about Hindu and Muslim, I think I'm doing service to my nation, because we have to forget this nonsense and get about our work. And the only hope for me is that before it used to be only Brahmin girls scoring in exams. If you see the newspaper in the results, now you see constantly Muslim girls top rankers.
Correct.
Which means the future boys are going to have educated mothers in that community. And not ordinarily educated mothers with extraordinary education. So I see that community improving. When I say this, I constantly hear my Muslim friends saying, Inshallah, let it happen.
Yeah, let it happen.
It should happen. When that happens, the others will have to compete. And I truly believe it can happen. And I know some intellectuals, enviable intellect in my own friend, Mr. Javed Akhtar. Can talk to him for hours. And he came from that background. It was very wrong to think, ye nahi sudhrenge, because you give a chance, there will be 1,000 Javed Akhtars, 1,000 Kamal Hassans coming from there.
So, ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಹಿಂದೂ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ತಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಬರಬಹುದು. That's what he said.
I would love to make it, because as a matter of fact, I want to constantly address this subject. It doesn't matter if I'm like Kurosawa constantly spoke about samurai sword wielding warriors all the time. I think this is a good enough subject. My life will be well spent.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ
I must come. I have an idea. You could helbeku to the government, to anybody. It's an idea. I'm saying it. It could be wrong. You can always throw it aside. I think there was a time when I used to drive from Chennai to come to Bangalore to see good films. Not only good international films, good Kannada films, from which we could take back. There were film societies here which
Correct.
had multiple film festivals happened here. Great filmmakers were continuously making small but tremendous films. Suddenly it looked like most of the Bengali talent had come into Karnataka. I think it can happen again.
1970s
70s.
ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಎರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Yeah. It can happen again. For which I think the government should, it's my idea, it's so, I think better people in the government, better people in the industry would think no business could sit together and plan. They could subsidize those who will make one Kannada film and into double versions, but one should be a Kannada version. You can bring in Karan Johar, you can bring in Kamal Hassan, but they must make one, produce, use talent. It can be a Kannada director, but that way there'll be a manthan of
Correct.
a great congress of talent from all over the country will be brought into
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
Akarshana.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ವಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಬಿ ವಿಲಿಂಗ್
Because more Kannada films and more exposure.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಅದರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ.
Veda, let's use Kannada. I'm only thinking, I'm not.
ಈಗ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳನ್ನ ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿದ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ ಕನ್ನಡದ್ದು?
No, long time since I saw, because I'm very angry with Kannada cinema for not giving me those films which the rest of the nation is envious of. It's time Karnataka should make films that will make other people come here to see films.
ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಲಿಂಗ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು?
I will.
Simultaneous production, Tamil and Kannada.
For which I need subsidies. Because this is a very small market.
ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯಾಕೆ ಸಬ್ಸಿಡಿ ಬೇಕು? ತಮಿಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ವೈ ಸಬ್ಸಿಡಿ?
No, why I'm saying is, my Tamil films are running very well here. I lose that big market to come to make a Kannada film. But if you give a subsidy like that, I don't mind losing this area. You understand?
Correct.
Why would they see a Tamil film? It will run for a small while. I want it to be a Kannada film. I will
Correct.
take it away.
Correct.
If you want to see, you see, protectionism cannot save you. Competitiveness can save you.
ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನಿಸಮಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾನು ಡಬ್ಬಿಂಗ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ.
No, dubbing, that's another thing. That's not protectionism on business level. I think on a cultural level, it is very important to save the language.
ಕಲ್ಚರ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡೋದು ಡಬ್ಬಿಂಗಿಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ರೀಮೇಕ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಡಬ್ಬಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಐನೋ ನೀವು ತಮಿಳಿಂದ ಡಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗಿ ತಮಿಳ್ದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ.
No.
ರೀಮೇಕ್ ನೀವು ತಮಿಳಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಬಂದು ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅದು ಕನ್ನಡದ್ದು ಅಂತಾನೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ದ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಮೇ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ದಿ ಸೇಮ್.
No, that is, those cultures will have to be careful. That needs great artists. Businessmen making those decisions. See, if I take, as a matter of fact, I had a dream. Mr. Karant was to direct a novel written by T. Janakiraman called Amma Vandal. I used to come here, sit with Mr. B.V. Karant for 1 month. He said, I must live in Tanjore for 1 month. Get me a rented house. Let me eat in that house. Where I'm not eating in a hotel. Let me eat in that house, live there for a month, and then only I will come to direct a film. See, a good director will do this. A businessman would not do it.
ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಕೊನೆಗೆ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ? ಅದು ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರದಕ್ಕೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು.
By the time it is not my fault, not Tamil film industry's fault. It is my friend Mr. B.V. Karant's fault. He said, no, I don't want cinema. He left cinema by the time.
ಈಗ ನೀವು ಬಿ ವಿ ಕಾರಂತರ ಜೊತೆ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. ತುಂಬಾ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನೋ ಜಿ ವಿ ಅಯ್ಯರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ರಮೇಶ್ ಅರವಿಂದ್, ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
No, we all speak in our national language.
ಯಾವುದು ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್? ಯಾವ್ದು ನಮಗೆ?
English. This whole interview is happening in that. So it only improved our friendship.
Kannada probably. Have you read any Kannada books?
No, translated. I can't read.
Translated at least.
Translated. I can pretend as if I know Kannada, but I can't. Basavana's translation, because both late Mr. Sujata and I used to compare it to the Sitar songs of Tamil Nadu. They had very similar moment. I'm a great fan of those kind of thoughts. And yes, I'm in touch, and even Kambar, Joe Kumar Swami.
Joe Kumar Swami.
I used to come and watch. And I think more should happen now. I think Karnataka has a lot to offer. And the film industry should open up and...
ನೀವು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ತಮಿಳ್, ಕನ್ನಡ, ತೆಲುಗು, ಮಲಯಾಳಂ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಹೇಗೆ ತೂಕ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿನ? ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ವೈ ದೀಸ್?
See, money-wise, it is both Telugu first and Tamil.
Tamil next.
They know how to monetize. State size-wise, Kerala and Karnataka are almost similar, slight difference. But film quality-wise, Kerala is number one. I used to go and fight because Kerala is also my state. I have a lot of memories in Kerala, a lot of families which think that I am truly Malayali, and they have lent me. Even now they said, you have been sent out on deputation. Basically, you are a Malayali, remember that. That was the warning given to me in a function, in a big television network
ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ
function.
ಮಲಯಾಳಮಲ್ಲಿ?
They want me to. Even there, I'm talking about this double version situation, so that I can monetize as well as... Otherwise, I'll have to do once in a while, like I did for Friendship, Ramashama Bama. So, but that is, I want to continuously keep doing, not only me acting. I have produced many films in my Raj Kamal production as standalone movies without Kamal Hassan. So when you said that they only import heroines, I don't mind. They don't have to import me. I'm already imported.
ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತಾರಿಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್.
I've been planted, replanted here.
ನಾವು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ರಜನಿಕಾಂತ್ ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮವರು ಅಂತ ಆಗೋಗಿದ್ರು, ಕಮಲ್ ಹಾಸನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮವರು ಅಂತಾನೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
That's exactly what I said in the meeting. See, you think Saroja Devi avaru, Nagesh belongs to Karnataka, wrong. We can lend you, but they are ours. That's it. We cannot give you back.
ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ರಜನಿಕಾಂತ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮವರು. ಎನಿವೆ, ಫೈನಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಈ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳಲೇಬೇಕು. ಕಾವೇರಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ದೇ ಕಮ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೋದ?
The artists are only, they are only reflectors. They can only reflect emotions. It has to come from great minds. And there are many in both in Karnataka and...
ಏನು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು?
First, we must remember we were monkeys when Kaveri was flowing. We were not yet human beings. Kaveri was still flowing.
ನಾವಿನ್ನು ಡ್ಯಾಮ್
80,000 years back, when the advent of Homo erectus started. Before that, Kaveri was flowing. So we must understand, nobody can own it up as their own. Neither Tamil Nadu nor Karnataka. It is nature. We are all sons of the soils. It doesn't matter what kind of, what color.
ಏನು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು? ಹೂ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಸಿ, ನಂಗೆ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು?
People should understand, the farmers should get together. All farmers are brothers.
ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಾವೇರಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
All farmers are brothers.
ಕಾವೇರಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ರೈತರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು
because farmers are all brothers.
ಪೊಲಿಟಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
No, I think few farmers from Karnataka should come and work in the fields of Tamil Nadu and vice versa, instead of breaking buses on either borders. I think they are all my brothers, and if you look, I think we need to fall in love with each other instead of fighting, because it's more fun, believe me. Falling in love is more fun.
Hopefully ಅದಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ the parting note I want to ask you, ನಾವು ಫಿಲಾಸಫಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೆ. ಕಮಲ್ ಹಾಸನ್ is getting philosophical ಅಂತ. ಕಮಲ್ ಹಾಸನ್ಗೆ ದೈವ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ದೇವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಏನು?
It's an idea.
God
is a good idea, but I don't need it.
You don't need the idea of God for your films.
Thank you.
Thank you. Pleasure talking to you.